Looking for stable, predictable, and rewarding investments? Let's explore bonds, a must have addition to your portfolio. Bonds are fixed income instruments, an agreement where the issuer pays you regular interest and returns your capital on maturity. Why are bonds gaining popularity? Let's look at the benefits and features. Start with as little as 100 rupees. Corporate bonds usually begin at 1000 rupees with no upper limit. Bonds can offer returns between 6% to 14%, often higher than bank fixed deposits. Enjoy regular interest payouts, monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on the bond terms. Trade bonds on exchanges anytime, ensuring greater liquidity compared to fixed deposits. Benefit from stable returns, potential capital appreciation, and favorable reward ratios. Now let's look at some bond investment ideas. Issued by government-backed organizations, tax-free bonds offer tax-free returns around 5.5% ideal for high tax bracket investors. Sovereign guaranteed government bonds have maturities from 3 months to 50 years, offering yields of 6.5% to 7.2%, a safe bet for capital appreciation. Wondering how to invest in bonds? Open a demat and trading account with a CB registered broker. If you have a GEPL Capital account, call us on the numbers below to start investing today. Invest in bonds today for a secure tomorrow. Remember, investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all documents carefully before investing.